Are you trying to buy an investment property here in Idaho, but your tax returns don't show enough income to qualify for a traditional mortgage? Maybe you're self-employed, maybe you own several rental properties, or maybe your accountant is really good at making your taxable income disappear. Well, there's actually another option. It's called a DSCR loan, and instead of qualifying based on your paychecks, we qualify primarily based on the income from the rental property. I'm Jerry Robinson with First Choice Mortgage in Idaho, and let me quickly explain how these loans work. DSCR stands for Debt Service Coverage Ratio. Now, don't let that fancy mortgage terminology scare you. The basic concept is actually pretty simple. With a residential DSCR program we offer, we're looking at the rental income the property generates compared to the monthly housing payment. So let's say you're buying a rental property that generates $2,000 per month in rent, and the principal, interest, taxes, insurance, and HOA dues is $1,400 per month. Divide 2,000 into 1,400 and you get a 1.43 DSCR. Generally, the higher the number, the stronger the property's cash flow profile. Here's where DSCR loans really get interesting for real estate investors. No W-2s, no paycheck stubs, no tax returns, and no employment verification. We qualify the investment property based primarily on its rental cash flow, rather than calculating a traditional debt-to-income ratio. That can especially be helpful if you're self-employed, having significant tax write-offs, or you're building a rental portfolio and conventional financing is becoming difficult. And yes, you can often close the properties in an LLC depending upon the program. Now, DSCR doesn't mean there aren't qualifications. Credit still matters. The property still matters. You'll generally need reserves, and many of these programs are going to be somewhere between 20 to 25% down, although it can be varied depending upon lender credit and DSCR. Many lenders would like to see a DSCR 1 or better, and getting into the 1.2 or 1.25 makes it even better. Now, here's another important point. If the property doesn't fit one lender's DSCR, that doesn't necessarily mean it's dead. We're a mortgage broker, so we can shop among multiple wholesale lenders and look for the program that best fits the property and your situation. These loans can work for single-family rentals, condo, townhomes, duplexes, triplexes, fourplexes. And we have programs that can work for short-term rentals like Airbnb and VRBOs as well. These are investment property loans, though you cannot use DSCRs for primary residence or second homes. Another nice thing about DSCR loans is speed. Because we're not chasing the traditional income documentation, we commonly close these loans in about 15 to 21 days, although every transaction is going to be a little bit different. If you're looking for an investment property anywhere in Idaho, I'd put a free DSCR calculator in my website. Put the rental income, the estimated payment, and see what the property's DSCR looks like before even calling me. I'll put the link in the description below. And if you got a property you're looking at, give me a call. We'll run the numbers and see what DSCR program works well for you. If this has helped, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and forward this to any Idaho real estate investor who can use it. I'm Jerry Robinson. I'm with First Choice Mortgage, and make it a great day.